Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to connect a controller to GeForce NOW. First, make sure your controller is compatible. GeForce NOW works well with Xbox controllers, PlayStation DualShock 4, PlayStation DualSense, and many other standard game controllers. There are two main ways to connect your controller to your PC. The first way is with a USB cable. This is the easiest option. Plug the USB cable into your controller, then plug the other end into your PC. Windows should recognize the controller automatically. You may see a message saying the device is ready to use. Once connected, you can move on to GeForce NOW. The second way is using Bluetooth with a USB Bluetooth dongle. If your PC does not have built-in Bluetooth, plug the Bluetooth USB dongle into your PC first. Wait a few seconds for Windows to detect it. Then open Settings and go to Bluetooth and Devices. Turn Bluetooth on. Now put your controller into pairing mode. For an Xbox controller, press and hold the pairing button until the light starts blinking. For a PlayStation controller, press and hold the PlayStation button and the share button at the same time until the light flashes. On your PC, click Add Device, choose Bluetooth and select your controller from the list. Wait until it shows as connected. After the controller is connected, open the GeForce NOW app on your PC and sign in. The controller should be detected automatically. Start a game from your library and test the controller in the game menu. Thanks for watching.